Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This hairstyle is beyond cute. I have no idea how it looks on the back, so tell me how it looks on the back. I don't know how I did this hairstyle. I will try and redo it tomorrow and make a little TikTok day. We're gonna be doing a get ready with me whilst I do a 3-year update and where I've been. Talk about people cutting their locks off, because what's going on? Why is it now becoming a trend to cut your locks off? What's going on? Let's start with Happy New Year. Really late for me to say Happy New Year. It's like February. Really talk to you guys in 2024. So this is going to be really blimmin' interesting. Okay, so my locks are actually kind of almost 4 years. They'll be 4 years in the 7th of July. In 5 months. That's crazy. So I thought it was about time I did like a 3-year update, my 3-year journey so far. I'll be uploading photos, videos, all of that while I talk. So the big issue I think I've had with my locks this year is just like flaking on my scalp. I think I had some hair eaters the other day. If you don't know what hair eaters are, I don't really know sure what they are. My mom always calls them that. I will ask my mom and put like a description of what it is. And yeah, dandruff really, because I feel like it is hard to keep my scalp hydrated. A lot of the time I'm a busy woman, I'm a busy girl. I'm in my second year of drama school and I'm doing all my little entrepreneur things, my art business, so it is hard. And sometimes my hydration routines are quite long-winded as well. So there's that. Let's see if I can find the video. But I really like this sister lock YouTuber. She went to her loctician that she's not been to in years because she learned how to retie her hair. I retie my hair now. Speaking of retie, yes, I know, it needs a retie. And she was talking about how your main body of your locks, I mean, they're not all dead, but a lot of it is extra hair that if you had your fro would have come out in your wash days or stuff like that, that kind of like stays in the locks. That's kind of what builds them body, makes them thicker. My flatmate's leaving. And so a lot of it is technically dead hair. Then she was like, a lot of people worry about like hydrating the dead hair. And she's like, really you're wasting product because you're just putting all of that goodness on hair that doesn't need it. So I do focus on more my products and my routines on my scalp now. I talk about frizz a lot. Frizz is still an issue, but it's not as prominent as it used to be. I definitely think I was going through my frizz phase. Every lock journey has one. I was definitely going through that. Oh, my hair does not hold a curl as much anymore because it's a lot heavier, so and a lot longer, so the curls do drop a lot quicker. And I find like if I'm gonna braid my hair, I have to braid my hair into like 10 or 12 just to get the waviness tight enough for it to actually last like at least 2 days. I'm trying to get good at styling my hair when it's a bit more straight. If you've not noticed on my channel, love curly hair. I think because my afro was very coily and every time I had box braids or something like that, I would curl the ends because I'm used to curly hair. My natural hair is curly. So I do think for me it feels really weird when my locks are straight because I'm like, that's not natural, even though that's my new natural. So I am trying to style my hair straight. If you do want one of those videos, please do let me know. But this here is a little trick I found to give my hair a bit of body, give my hair a bit of curl without having to curl my entire head. So if you also want to see that, because that's my new routine, so I always end up doing a YouTube video in the morning and then end up rushing for school. I feel like I'm getting so much more northern the more I stay in Leeds. Like a lot of people on here are gonna be like, no, you're already northern, blah, blah, blah. But I think because I've slowly moved from the south to the north throughout my whole life, and my dad lives in London, especially when I go to my dad's, I'll either speak in my native accent or I'll sound very southern, and then I'll come back to Leeds and I'll sound really northern. And my mum lives in the Wirral, and then sometimes I'll have a bit of Scouse in there. So it's just like I feel like I've got a mixture of all accents, but I don't want to become fully northern because I am a South girl at heart. If I want my hair to be curly and for multiple days, like my hair can last in curls for a week. It'd be taking me that many hours to curl my hair and then like an hour to take it out and all of that. My arm workout and everything, you want them to actually last, you know what I mean? I have to do roller curls. Like, I just have to. That's what lasts the longest. My hair weighs down, so the tighter it is, even if it drops, you're still going to see a curl. Whereas the looser it is, if it drops, it's just going to disappear. She a different colour under there. I have shown it, but I feel like in my videos recently, you can't really see it unless I style it. It does look cute on the back. I feel like it's giving a little colour. The length. Edit Thea. Edit that out. Why did I just swear? Gosh. If I hear one more black girl say that they can't get long hair or they can't get long locks, patience. But everyone's hair grows unless you have a medical condition or something like that where your hair can't grow. Everybody's hair does grow, just at different rates, just at different speeds, just at different times. But if you work on what your hair needs and nourish your hair, it will grow, honey boo boo. It will grow. Think about it. It's basically in a protective style all the time. And what do we black girls do? Wear protective styles to get our hair to grow. The logic. 2 + 2 is equaling 4. Also not done a skincare video in a while, so if you guys want one. Okay, where have I been? Getting my life together. If you're subscribed to this channel, or you want to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, or any of my other social medias. No, that is not me. I do not have the time to pick and choose days that I'm going to consistently upload on. But I will give content. That is what I can promise. I will give content. Just, you probably won't know what days. So that's why you should have the what? The what? The post notifications on. The post notification. Are you hearing word? The post notifications on. Because then it doesn't matter if I don't say what day I'm going to upload, because your phone will tell you ping, 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 ping what day I will upload. Simples. A lot of people ask me, and I mean a lot of people, I'm actually kind of proud of, let's say, how do I get my makeup so smooth or to blend in with my natural skin? Like water. May sound weird, but you know that trend where people used to like dip their beauty blender in water and put it on their face? Oh no, they dip their face in the water, then let it dry, and like it just works. But I sprayed my face with water rather than setting spray, and it just melts everything in after I've powdered. Ow, I just stuck my bloody toe. Yeah, man, honestly, I'm gonna be using my native accent a lot more on my channel because I'm using it a lot more in life and trying to discover myself as a person, as an actor, what I want to show. You don't like that? Yeah, that silence? Yeah, don't care. Just ignore the Hunchback of Notre Dame, what I'm doing right now. People also ask me a lot of the time, how I do my eyes, how I get them this shape. I feel like this always sounds like I'm bragging, but generally it is my eye shape. I don't actually change my eye shape with the liner. I use my eye shape for the liner. My sister went to get these for my birthday because I've been wanting like liners, lip liners and eyeliners, and she went to ask the lady. Funny story. She went to ask the lady like, any got any black or dark brown lip liners, and she was like, looked at my sister, because my sister is darker than me, but I was like, yeah, try the eyeshadows, the eye pencils. I'm not even the darkest fish in the sea. I'm not even the darkest, richest chocolate there is. And you be telling me when I go in, your colour's not there, not install this, not install that, it's not dark enough, maybe try this product. Telling me to try products that aren't actually for that, which I'm all for mix and matching products, but why should I have to mix and match products? Can we just say that in this 2024, if I don't want to go online for a product, why do I gotta go online for a product? Why can't I walk into a store and you be telling me, oh, it's almost finished, and you be telling me, go online? I came into the store because I didn't want to go online. Like, babes. Anyway, little run over. People be cutting their hair off. I mean, their locks off. Not cutting. Well, some of them cut, some of them unpick. Yeah, unpick them, detangle them. Because they're finding like all these different issues, which I think I will do a video about because that's like a whole nother issue. But I just wanted to say a lot of those issues I haven't found personally with my locks. So that's why I'm keeping them. So this will be a lock channel. A lot of people are finding issues with like how heavy and stuff like this it is. Yes, it's heavy, but if I was to put extensions in or wear box braids, all of that, it's also heavy. So cancelling it cancels out for me. Oh, it hurts too much after reties or too long. I'm tender-headed. And yeah, it can hurt for a day. I can have a headache for a day. Same with box braids. Again, cancels it out for me. Worse for some people, it can be less for other people. So I completely think it's valid. If it's not for you, you're cutting your hair locks off or detangling them, so valid. But for me, it's everything. I love it. So we're gonna keep this. Yeah, I'm gonna flex. We're gonna keep this. Look at her. Look at her. Look, no, can we just appreciate her? This is called Black Girl Magic in its finest. Anybody be telling me it's not? Are you blind? Are you blind? Because this is gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me just say loads of crap. I will see you on the next one. I love you guys.